Guys, I know I promised to stop uploading, but I realized that I'm starting to feel better, so I thought I could upload for almost a while. Besides, I have school tomorrow, so yeah, I kind of still have a cough though. Hold on. It hurts. Anyways, let's watch this video. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Why is it still going? Hey, chill. Why is it still going? Hey, chill. Wait. Hold on. That's huge. That is so huge. That is literally so huge. I definitely do not wanna.